It is wrong for Dr. Nevers Mumba to accept the appointment uh, from HH in the pretext of SADC after making senseless noise in the media over the last 7 days. Um, he should have just kept quiet and accept the meaningless appointment instead of dragging innocent family men into his drama. Meaningless because HH has no respect for the Constitution, for the rule of law, or even democracy. Drama because now we know that Nevers Mumba's statement the other day about his friend evaluating a facility as massive and complex as KKIA, the Kenneth Kaunda International Airport, by just using his eyes is actually a joke we suspected it to be. What is really sad about this saga is that the names of innocent people are being dragged and destroyed by mere or sheer self centeredness by some of these so called politicians. This is not right. If Nevers Mumba is very serious about corruption, let him talk about Henry Kakuo's collection of dollars from the Chinese. Yes. Let him talk about Sylvia Masebo soliciting for a car and a house. Let him talk about Gary Nkombo and the purchase of the Land Cruisers from CDF funds. Let him talk about the Sujilite scandal. If he is really serious about corruption, let him talk about the Kasenseli gold theft. If Nevers Mumba is serious about corruption, let him address Chush Kasanda's fertilizer contract. And let him talk about the AFRICOM. There are so many things to talk about. Instead of wasting time, our precious time, talking about things that he can never substantiate.